Namaste. My name is Harshvardhan and I am the founder of Wealth Cafe. I take this opportunity to welcome you to our dedicated portal on learning about money. Why money? The simplest definition I can think of money is choice. Having enough money allows you to choose where you live, where you work, how you travel, how much you travel, among many other things. Money management is one of the most important life skills that you must have. Unfortunately, it is not taught to us at any level of school or college. And whatever little we learn with time does not prepare us to handle real money in the real world. While experience is one of the most effective teachers in life, it is also the most expensive way to learn. And if you leave the learning about money to life experiences, it can come at a huge cost. We've been conducting workshops in personal finance for over 10 years. And apart from teaching our audiences, we've learned a lot from them. We have used the learnings from all our workshops along with our experience and put it together in these courses for you to learn and benefit from. The courses that you see here have a layer of theoretical understanding of various aspects of money, topped with a layer of how you can use these learnings and apply them to your personal finances. We have designed and presented the course in a manner that it is extremely easy for you to understand, and have packed the courses with a number of examples, a number of stories, so that you can relate to them and apply these concepts to where you are with respect to your personal finances and get yourself started on the journey of wealth creation. Culturally, we understand the importance of saving, but once we've saved the money, we do not know what to do next. Through these courses, we attempt to fill this void. You work really hard to earn your money. It's time to make your money work hard for you.